Here's how you can change your default SMS app on your OnePlus phone with Android 15. Whether you have another messaging app you want to use or an app you just installed from the Play Store and you want to change it to your default SMS messaging app, use the quick access, go into the settings toggle right here, this one right there, and as you tap on it one time, you'll be taken to this right here. Then, as you're here, go down until you see the part that says apps, this one right there. So as you tap on it one time, you'll be taken here and you'll see default apps. When you go here, you'll be taken to this right here. You'll see some more options and go down to SMS app. Now that you're here, you'll see the apps that are compatible. The apps have to be compatible for them to show up here. So even though you have them installed from the Play Store or it came on your phone already, if they are not compatible, they will not show here. So you can now go ahead and choose between the different ones you want, and you can change these at any given time, like and so.